Hi Mom Fam! Just a quick chit-chat na while waiting for my husband. Meron akong friend na nag-ask sa akin na, Mommy Divine, how do you stay calm lang and then parang wala kang problem sa husband? So, each of us has a husband concern. Okay? So, meron tayong mga kanyang-kanyang problema, no? Kasi hindi naman lahat perfect. Okay? So, kung perfect man siguro yung mga sa pocketbook lang. Okay? So, what I mean is, we have to identify their strengths and of course, their weaknesses as well. So, kung meron man silang weaknesses is, paano natin yun ma-turn into strengths na magiging happy tayo and then, hindi natin ma-feel, hindi tayo maging sad dahil ganyan sila. So, ang first muna is, we have to identify their strengths. We love them for who they are. So, bakit natin sila pinakasalan? Bakit natin sila naging asawa? Masipag siya, maalala, maalaga, ganito. We have to identify their strengths. And we know naman na kaya nga tayo ng